Good morning, children. How are you, Nana? What you are doing, children? Are you reading lessons from the textbook? I hope you all are reading the textbook. Okay, children. Now let us see, Nana. Today our exercises related to the chapter. What we are discussing, children? We are discussing the boy and the drum. The boy who wants a drum, and we have completed, Nana, our story how the boy got at the end the drum what he needs. Okay, see children, today we have to discuss few exercises related to the topic a boy and the boy who wants a drum. Okay children, ఏం exercises ఉన్నాయో చూద్దాం చూడండి. See Nana, the boy got many gifts in return for kindness. Match the gifts. Okay, match the following has been given to you in this chapter. A boy got so many gifts, Nana. Where persons nunchi gifts vachayi. So we have to match the person and the gift. Who gave what gift you have to. Now see Nana, first one, old man. Second one, potter's wife. Potter's wife. Next children, third one, washerman. If you listen the story easily you can write washerman. Next one, shirtless man. Shirtless man. Shirtless man. Coming to the fifth one, bridegroom. Bridegroom. And here they have been given gifts: bread, coat. Next one, drum. Next one, horse. Next one, pot. These are the words given to you. You have to match the words, children. First one, old man. At first what he got, Nana, if you remember, when the boy was playing with the piece of wood, he reached to an old man on his way. There he gave the piece of wood to the old man to cook the bread. Okay, so after cooking it, the old man gave a piece of bread. So this is the first one. Potter's wife. When he reached to the potter's wife, the baby was crying. The potter's baby was crying. So what he gave, children? He gave piece of bread to the potter's baby. So his wife, potter's wife, gave him a pot. Emichindi pot ichindi. Next, washerman. When the boy reached to the washerman, he was scolding his wife. And the boy gave the pot. Instead of pot, he got coat. And when he reached to the bridge, he saw a shirtless man. Shirtless man gave him a horse. And he gave horse to the bridegroom, and bridegroom gave a drum. So in this way, the whole story, if you listen, children, easily you can match it. ఫస్ట్ ఏం జరిగింది, ఓల్డ్ మ్యాన్ దగ్గరికి వెళ్ళాడు. అక్కడ ఓల్డ్ మ్యాన్ ఏమి ఇచ్చాడు, బ్రెడ్ ఇచ్చాడు. నెక్స్ట్ పాటర్స్ వైఫ్, వాట్ షీ గేవ్ పాట్. నెక్స్ట్ వాషర్ మ్యాన్స్ వైఫ్ గేవ్ కోట్. నెక్స్ట్ షర్ట్లెస్ మ్యాన్ గేవ్ హార్స్ అండ్ a bridegroom gave drum. Okay children, next Nana, they have been given us true or false. True or false, let us check Nana, true or false from the lesson. And they told us to correct the statement. True or false, they have asked us to correct the statement. First statement, short I am writing true or false. Okay, first they gave the boy helped the old man. Helped the old man. The boy helped the old man start a fire. Yes, it is true. Start a The boy gave piece of bread to the washerman's wife. To the washerman. Yes or no? In the second time, first time old man, second time what he saw, he reached near to the potter. He gave a piece of bread to the potter's baby, not to the washerman. So it is wrong, false. What is our correct statement, children? The boy gave piece of bread to the potter's wife. What is the correct statement, children? The boy gave piece of bread to the potter's wife or potter's baby. Next, coming to the third one, the potter's wife, the potter and his son. The potter and his son were quarreling అంటే గొడవ ఆడుకుంటున్నాడు. Quarreling. Yes or no? No, they are not quarreling with each other. False. The washerman and his wife were quarreling, not the potter's son and the potter. avuna kaadu. First time old man, second time potter's baby was crying, but the third time washerman and his wife was quarreling, not the potter and his son. Okay, coming to the fourth one, children. The boy got a pot from the potter's wife. The boy got a pot from the potter's wife. Let us check the fourth one. The boy got a pot from potter's wife. Yes, the boy got a potter's wife. Pot from potter's wife. Yes, true. It is true. Coming to the fifth one, children. The boy was kind and helpful. Yes, we can say easily. The boy was kind and helpful. అవునమ్మా, kind and helpful అయితేనే కదా నాన్న దారిలో అంతమందికి హెల్ప్ చేశాడు. Yes, of course, the boy was kind and helpful. Okay, children. Next here, children, they have been explained about the good qualities, bad qualities. అంటే మనలో మంచి ఏంటి, చెడు ఏంటి, క్వాలిటీస్, adjectives, describing words. What describe the good in a human being and what describe the bad in a human being, we have to separate it. See, children, first you should know what is an adjective or what is an describing word. First let us check what is an adjective. What do you mean by adjective? Adjective అంటే ఏమీ లేదు, easy. It is a describing word of a noun. Adjective is a describing word of a noun. It describes about a noun. అంటే మనం ఎలా ఉన్నామా అనే క్వాలిటీస్ చెప్తారు. ఆ క్వాలిటీస్ అన్నిటిని కూడా adjectives అంటాం. We say all these qualities as a describing words in our lower classes, and further we will say adjectives. It is nothing but a part of speech which explains us about the features of a noun or a pronoun. Okay, manchi enti chedu enti, few words there. Positive ante good nana, negative ante bad qualities. Okay, the qualities they gave I am writing here: new, happy, nice, sad, nasty, kind, pretty, positive. Pretty also positive. Ugly negative. Okay children, in this way we can easily say what qualities are positive, what qualities are negative. See children, they have been given you in this textbook in this way children. The box they have been given you. You have to separate. Okay, 3 we got the negative qualities and the remaining all qualities are positive. Okay, tomorrow children we will discuss a few more exercises related to the topic. Have a nice day all of you children.